Well, hello everybody. This is your stay-at-home grandma, and I'm bringing you the pure Acidophilus starter culture, and it's the yogurt. Excuse me, the yogurt home, and it's something I got before, and I'm gonna do a review on it Tuesday when I do the cooking part. But I'm gonna open this and show you what it is. And if you go back to one of my videos, you'll see that I had made yogurt, and I got to make it again anyway. So these are the starter kits. 3 of them, and they are I'm actually finding out that I actually like this yogurt, and apparently they like me because they keep sending me things, because I ask and they send, and I really do like it, and it's something good is waiting for you, and this is what it says here, and then it's got little writing that I can't read, but the yogurt kits are actually quite nice, and it makes a quart of yogurt, so one packet makes a quart of yogurt, so it makes up to 2 gallons. So on Tuesday, I will be making this again, and I'm gonna put some other things in it. So, be sure to watch. So I love you. Take care. God bless. Bye bye.